Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. Example 4. And let's first calculate the delta x. In this case, our delta x is b minus a divided by n. So good news, it's only 4, so it's not going to be that large. So technically 2 minus 1 divided by 4, or I'm looking at 1/4. And then, the x's, we're going to start with x of 0 is equal to 1, then x of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 times 1/4, which is going to be 1 plus 1/4. I'm getting 5/4 as this, as x of 1. Then the next one, x of 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 times a fourth, or 1 plus a half, or 3/2. X of 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 times a fourth, or 1 plus 3/4, or 7/4. X of 4 is equal to 1 plus 4 times a fourth. This is 1 plus 1, or the values of 2. And remember that as we're doing the partitions, you have to make sure that, there's no algebra errors. You started at A and you end up at B. So that's actually it for the last portion. Let me start it here. So using trapezoidal rule with n is equal to 4, and then f of x is equal to 1 over x, we're actually going to find out that the integral from 1 to 2 of the x over 2, of the x over x can be approximated. And then the formula for trapezoidal, it simply has the 2n. So b minus a, so in this case, 2 minus 1, So 2 minus 1 over 2 times 4 times, and then it's going to use, f of 1 plus 2 times f of 5/4 plus 2 times f of 3/2 plus 2 times f of 7/4 plus f of 2. So let me move this to the next page. And we're looking at the following approximation. So that's going to be 1/8 times, and then f of 1, it's just 1 over x, so you're going to get a 1 plus, technically 2 times f of 5/4. So it's going to be 2 times. So that the next one is going to be 5/4. So that's just going to be, this is just 2 times 4/5 if you use their reciprocals, or it's going to give you your 8/5 plus 2 times 2/3 plus 2 times 4/7 plus f of 2 is going to be 1/2. Okay, at this point, let me plug it in and see what we're getting. Actually, let me simplify those two because I'm already messing this up. So this is 1/8 times 1 plus 8/5 plus 4/3 plus 8/7 plus a half. Okay, that's what we're plugging in. And plugging this in into the calculator, I'm getting, and let me double check, 0.6970. And let me just double check that all of those were, that I'm not messing up parentheses. 1/8, 1 plus 8/5 plus 4/3. Okay, so that's what I'm getting. I am matching. I just had to double check because I accidentally put this value backwards on the calculator when I rechecked it. So false alarm. I'm getting the 0.697. I just put in the 0, but we don't need it.